Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to bring order to your chaos, the Oizeir Clear Spice Rack. We found this versatile organizer online and have included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Oizeir Clear Spice Rack? This is a 3-tier acrylic organizer designed to keep your spices, seasonings, and even condiments neatly arranged. Each rack measures 10.4 by 9.6 by 4 inches, making it compact enough to fit into cabinets or to proudly display on your kitchen countertop. With 4 racks in each pack, you'll have plenty of options to tackle various storage challenges around your home. Now, let's talk about the standout features of this spice rack. First and foremost, it's a multifunctional organizer. While it's marketed for spices, it can easily be used in the bathroom to hold toiletries, on a dresser to organize cosmetics, or even in a bedroom to tidy up small items. The 3-tier design allows you to sort and display your essentials neatly, making it easy to find what you need at a glance. Another fantastic feature is the single-piece convenience. One of the most frustrating things about storage solutions can be the assembly. With the Oizeir Clear Spice Rack, you won't have to deal with complicated instructions or extra tools. It comes ready to use right out of the box. Just find a spot for it, and you're all set. The solid acrylic construction is sturdy and stable, ensuring that your items won't wobble or fall, even when fully loaded. Speaking of stability, let's not overlook the elegant and versatile design. Made from clear acrylic, this rack fits seamlessly into any aesthetic you may have in your home. Whether your decor style is modern, rustic, or something in between, the sleek neutral design complements almost any color scheme. You can choose to place it inside your kitchen cabinet or let it shine on your countertop, vanity, or bathroom space. Cleaning is another area where the Oizeir shines. The smooth surfaces and rounded corners make it incredibly easy to wipe clean. This means less time spent on upkeep and more time enjoying your organized space. The deep shelf design, complete with a 360-degree ledge, holds your items securely in place, minimizing the risk of spills and falls. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who loves to cook and wants to keep your spices within easy reach, this rack is for you. But it doesn't stop there. Students living in dorms, busy parents, or anyone looking to declutter their living space will find this organizer incredibly useful. Its versatility means it can fit into many different rooms and serve multiple purposes, making it a practical choice for nearly anyone. In terms of practical use cases, imagine transforming a cluttered cabinet into a well-organized haven for your spices. You could also set one up in your bathroom to hold skincare products, making your morning routine smoother and more enjoyable. Alternatively, use it on your vanity to showcase your favorite cosmetics, ensuring your essentials are always within arm's reach. So, if you're ready to streamline your space and add a touch of elegance to your organization solutions, the Oizeir Clear Spice Rack might just be what you need. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to